Certainly, Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta is an operating system that belongs to the Virtuozzo product family, which specializes in container-based virtualization. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, let's discuss in review. Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta is likely an updated version of the Virtuozzo Linux operating system, featuring various improvements and new features. It is designed for use in virtualized environments, particularly in the context of key features. Containerization technology. Virtuozzo is known for its container-based virtualization technology. Containers provide a lightweight and efficient way to deploy applications with minimal overhead. Easier performance optimization. Explore any performance enhancements or optimizations introduced in Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta compared to its predecessor. This could include improvements in resource utilization, speed, or efficiency. Security enhancements. Highlight any new security features or enhancements that have been implemented to secure the containerized environment. Using management tool. Discuss the management tools provided with Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta. This could include a web-based control panel, command line tools, or APIs for managing containers and virtualized environments. Compatibility and integration. Explain the compatibility of Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta with existing software and infrastructure. Discuss any integrations with cloud services or other virtualization platform. Begin system updates. If there are changes to the Linux kernel or system components, provide information on how these updates contribute to the overall performance and functionality of Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta. And getting started. The installation process. Walk through the installation process for Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta. Highlight any changes or improvements in the installation procedure. Basic configuration. Guide users on the basic configuration steps after installing Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta. This may include setting up networking, configuring containers, and managing resources. Demonstration. Consider including a demonstration of key features. This could involve creating and managing containers, showcasing performance improvements, or using specific tools provided by Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta. UNE and support. Provide information on where users can find support, documentation, and engage with the Virtuozzo Linux community. This could include forums, official documentation, and social media channels. Since my knowledge cutoff is January 2022, it's essential to check for any updates or changes to Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta beyond that date. Additionally, the information provided here is based on the assumption that Virtuozzo Linux 9 Beta follows a similar structure and features as its predecessor. Always refer to the official Virtuozzo website and documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information. First, come to Google and search Google for the thing you need, like here. We will write VzLinux. Then we will enter the website, whose name comes first from the results that come here. As you can see here, we have reached our desired website. From here, we will now download our required or desired ISO in this case. You can see that I am downloading version 8 because after downloading version 8, it will automatically change to version 9. If you click on version 8 download, you will go to a download link option and download the file for. Now we will create a container where we will install ISO. You can see here I am inside my virtual system. My virtual system is called Proxmox, and inside this Proxmox first, you need to upload this ISO. Now I will create a virtual machine here first. You can see I am giving a name for my virtual machine here. After that, you can see I am locating my downloaded ISO here. After that, I am setting the system configuration as per my requirement. You can set the system configuration as per your requirement. In my case, I am setting 4 GB RAM. If you need, you can take more RAM. Our virtual system configuration is complete. And now we are ready to boot. Let's boot and see what awaits us. Let's go. You can see now that we're boot and we've got a welcome skin where we need to define what we're going to do. So let's go through the process of setting it up. In this case, first you have to select the language as shown by me, and then you have to locate your hard disk here. After selecting language, and next you have to click on Installation Destination. After you locate your installation destination, click Done and look at the top and say, "Let's go." After that, you need to set the root password. After that, you will see the beginning installation is written below. Click there to start the installation. In this case, copying the entire file and installation will require a lot of time, so I am fast forwarding these places. So far, all our installation work is completed. Now we click on Reboot System. Our installation work will be completed. Hope you will benefit a lot by watching this video, so we are specially requested to support our channel from now on.